Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has jumped on Uddhav Thackeray over this, over what unfolded in Mumbai's Ghatkopar, where 14 people lost their life. The BJP is alleging that there is a kingpin Uddhav Thackeray link. They are now pinning the blame, not on the BMC's negligence, but as a political showdown. They are saying in October 2021, Chief Minister then, Uddhav Thackeray, illegally gave the contract of the petrol pump to the company and the contract of the hoarding to Bhavesh Bhire's Ego Media. The annual income, we were told, of the petrol pump is about 25 crore rupees, and annual income of this hoarding that fell on people is also 25 crore rupees. And MLA Sunil Raut had taken Bhavesh Bhire to Uddhav Thackeray. This individual that you see on your screen with Uddhav Thackeray is absconding right now. He's considered as the owner of this hoarding that fell on people. 14 people dead because of that. Many are still missing, and the number could increase. So the BJP has jumped on Uddhav Thackeray over this, linking that there is corruption involved, and look what happened because of that. I'm joined by Mr. Kirit Somaiya, who's also based in Maharashtra, is joining me on the phone line over this. Mr. Kirit Somaiya, because many would say, let's pin the accountability on the BMC's negligence or the state government or the authorities. Why do you think it's Uddhav Thackeray's name that has been mentioned here and that is being reiterated by the BJP? Mr. Kirit Somaiya, if you can hear me, the name of Uddhav Thackeray is also being dragged here by the Bharatiya Janata Party, claiming that the kingpin or the accused owner of this hoarding and the area nearby is absconding, but he had met Uddhav Thackeray, and it's because of Uddhav Thackeray then that he got this contract. What would you say to that? All right, we seem to be having some communication issue with Mr. Kirit Somaiya, and we'll go across to that in just a short while. But that's the big political showdown that has unfolded on that. Remember, the focus here presently is that it was 25 crore rupees that was from the petrol pump coming to Bhavesh Bhire, and also specifically 25 crore rupees additional separately because of this illegal hoarding. Now, BJP is alleging, and I reiterate, this is allegation of the Bharatiya Janata Party with these pictures that are being shared, to say that in October 2021, when Uddhav Thackeray was the Chief Minister, that state government gave the contract to the petrol pump of the company and the contract of the hoarding to this Bhavesh Bhire's company. And the amount was then received. They've also dragged in Sanjay Raut and said that will Sanjay Raut give further details on this. So take a look at this report. On the ground, what exactly unfolded in Mumbai? So many questions left unanswered, and justice for the family that suffered, lost their life, simply standing, waiting for the dust storm to pass, and then a hoarding of that gigantic mammoth nature fell on them. Here's a ground report on the political showdown also that's unfolded.
A hoarding in Ghatkopar, built to be one of Asia's largest, fettered by the Limca Book of Records, came down crashing as a dust storm lashed Mumbai on Monday evening. It fell on the nearby petrol pump, trapping scores of people waiting to refill fuel. Many are dead and many more are receiving treatment at hospitals. A few, like Indra Kumar Kewat, were lucky to escape unharmed. His truck is under the mangled remains of the hoardings.
गिरा तो मेरे गाड़ी के ऊपर गिरा। गाड़ी के ऊपर गिरने से जितने आदमी गाड़ी के आसपास थे वो तो बच गए। जो बाजू में था, कितना नुकसान हुआ, अंधेरा सा हो गया, दिखा नहीं। पब्लिक को आवाज दिया कि भाई जिसको भी बचना है मेरे गाड़ी के पास आ जाओ। फिर उसके बाद मैं नीचे 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 घसक के बाहर निकला रोड पे। 2-3 आदमी को मदद किया, रिक्शे में डाला, किसी का हाथ मतलब फ्रैक्चर, किसी का पैर फ्रैक्चर।
The Maharashtra government has announced 5 lakh rupees in aid for the families of the deceased. What is shocking is how the hoarding so large, now admitted to be illegal, went unnoticed by civic agencies.
This particular land actually belongs to the collector, but the government railway police, the GRP, was in possession of this land, and they were the ones, without the BMC permission, had given out these hoardings, permissions to these people, to the company, to put up these hoardings. So the BMC's permission was never taken. The size was too big. The regulations that are needed were not kept in mind.
महापालिकेची परवानगी म्हणजे परवाना घेण्यात आलेला नाही अशा सर्व होर्डिंगवरती कार्यवाही करण्याचा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी देखील त्या पद्धतीचे आदेश दिलेले आहेत आणि ती कारवाई आज आमची सुरू होती आहे.
A case of criminal negligence and culpable homicide not amounting to murder has been slapped against the owner of Ego Media Ad Agency, which put up the hoarding. He is also named as an accused in a rape case, and charge sheet has also been filed against him. In Bhide's election affidavit, which was filed in 2009, he listed 23 criminal cases against him. Sources tell India Today that Bhide's company has secured multiple railway and BMC contracts for hoardings and banners in the past decade. After the tragic incident in Ghatkopar, the BMC has started identifying illegal hoardings in Mumbai. 3 hoardings next to the one that collapsed have been identified as illegal. The BMC is preparing to remove them. As per BMC's data, it has issued permission to 1,025 hoardings, while Railways has issued permission to 179 hoardings in Mumbai. There are 1,204 licensed hoardings in all. This is not the first instance of apathy claiming lives in the maximum city. From Gokhale Bridge to Elphinstone to Ghatkopar, the civic agencies have let down the city many times. With Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.